Propeller positions: red light, left A, right B. Green light, left B, right A. Open the battery cover, disconnect the battery plug, and remove the battery. Connect it to the power adapter. When charging, the USB indicator light turns red. The red light turns off when fully charged. Reconnect the battery plug and securely close the battery cover. Press and hold the drone's power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Turn on the remote controller. Place the drone on a flat surface to ensure stable flight after takeoff. Avoid launching from sand, mud, or grass to prevent debris from damaging the motors. Push the left control stick on the remote all the way up, then all the way down. When both the drone and remote indicator lights change from flashing to solid, pairing is successful. Note, if the remote light is solid but the drone light keeps flashing, the drone needs to be recharged. If both lights are still flashing, the pairing was unsuccessful. Please try again. Press the 1-key takeoff button and the drone will take off automatically. Recommended method. Push the left stick up-down to make the drone ascend or descend. Push the right stick up-down to move the drone forward or backward. Move the left stick left-right to rotate the drone left or right. Move the right stick left-right to fly left or right sideways. Short press the right joystick to switch between high and low speed modes. Note, 2 beeps from the remote mean high speed mode. 1 beep means low speed mode. If the drone drifts while hovering, turn off the remote. Then, press the left joystick straight downward and turn the power back on. 3 beeps, beep beep beep, will confirm a successful reset. Next, place the drone on a flat surface and quickly push the left joystick up and down once. Then, pull both joysticks to the lower right corner and hold for 4 seconds. When the indicator light changes from flashing to solid, the reset is complete. Press and hold the top right button on the remote, then push the right joystick fully forward, backward, left, right. The aircraft will perform the corresponding flip maneuver. Shut down. Press the 1-key takeoff landing button on the remote, and the aircraft will land slowly. You can find us on the product packaging.